Good morning to everyone. In this video, we are going to design a NAND gate as well as we are going to measure the power for the same using Tanner software. So further we need to install the Tanner software. So click Edit in your desktop. Then go to File, click New, then New Design. So give the name as NAND gate. Then click OK. Then go to Cell, New View. Then check cell 0 is shown in cell and then click OK. A design box will appear. Then we have to add some supporting files from library. So this is a library section and we are going to add some supporting files from the documents. So Tanner Tools version 15, 15.0, then process, then generic 250 nanometer and generic 250 nanometer analog library, then generic 250 nanometer analog library dot Tanner. We have to include this file. Yes, it gets added analog library, miscellaneous files and nanometer devices. Then we need to include spice commands and elements from the library section. Tanner Tools, again the same procedure, process. Then we have to select standard libraries. Then we need to insert spice elements and click OK. So spice commands and spice elements are included. So now we are ready to start our design. For designing NAND gate, we need 2 PMOS and 2 NMOS, and we need to connect the PMOS in parallel connection and the NMOS in series connection. Okay, so for that we need PMOS and NMOS. Okay, so in generic 250 nanometer devices, the PMOS and NMOS are available. Then click the PMOS, then instance, then place the PMOS. Okay, as we have to connect the PMOS in parallel, so we need 2 PMOS. Yes. So here we need mirror connection. Hence, select this PMOS and go to this properties menu, and here there is an option called mirror. We have to click it as true, so it will become parallel connection. Then we need NMOS. So place the NMOS. Place the NMOS here and one more NMOS at the down. Yes. Then we need to connect these through wires. We have to connect all the parts. Then we need to give VDD and ground supply. So it's under miscellaneous. Click VDD. And place it over here. Then ground connection and place it here. Okay. Then we need to connect this. Yes. Now we need to give input port and output port. So we need 2 inputs here. So for rotating purpose, click R. Press R and give the name as A for one input, and we need one more input as B. So give the name as B, and we need an output. Place it here and give the name as C. So for NAND gate, we are giving two inputs A and B, and we are getting only one output as C. So we need to connect the input ports. Before that, we need to connect the PMOS and NMOS connection. Connect it with A. Then connect these connection with B port. This is the output connection, C. Now we need to give a supply voltage. Supply voltage is under SPICE elements voltage source. So place the voltage here, and for this voltage also we need to give the VDD and ground. VDD, then ground. Then we need to give input voltage. So for giving the input voltage, we need to change the interface as pulse. Then for B, okay. So for the voltage source we are given to B, we need to change the delay time in order to get the 4 combinations of output. So we need to give the delay as 50 nanoseconds. Okay. Then we need to insert the ground. Yes, almost we done with our connect design process. Then connect the remaining elements with wire. Then we need to give the commands like print voltage. So click SPICE commands and select print voltage here. So we need to give print voltage for both the inputs A and B as well as the output C. Yes. So almost we are done with our designing part. Then we need to do some process for setup. So click setup here. Then click SPICE simulation. In general, click general. In general, we have to include library files. Click here and go to documents, standard tools version 15.0, then process, then generic 250 nanometer, then generic 250 nanometer tech. In this generic 250 nanometer .lib file, you have to choose this, open, and at the end we need to insert TTS extension. Then we need to select any one of the analysis. So we are going to choose transient and Fourier analysis, and we have to give some values like stop time as 1000 nanosecond and maximum time step as 10 nanosecond and print start time as 0 nanoseconds. Yes, click OK. Then start the simulation. Wait for some time. Once the simulation is done, the command window and the waveform window will open. Yes, this is our waveform. Before that, in command window, it shows that passing time, setup time, DC operating point, transient analysis, overhead, these kind of parameters we will able to see. And coming to the waveform point, we need to split the graphs. So click here. So A, this one is B, another input, and this is the output. So 1, 0, 1, we are getting 1. For 1, 1, we are getting 0. So because this is NAND gate, okay. So 0 1 we are getting 1, 0 0 we are getting 1. So for only 1 and 1 we are getting 0. So this is the output of NAND gate. Then coming to the point of power factor, we need to change a little thing, because in our command window we are getting only these parameters. So for getting the power factor, go to the schematic window, then click this one, this icon, open in T-Spice. Click this icon and a dialog box will appear. This dialog box contains exact coding for our design. So this is our coding for our NAND design. So it contains details of NMOS, PMOS, V voltage source 1, 2, 3, then print details. So after that we need to include commands like dot power. So we are going to analyze a power value for voltage source 1, 2 and 3. So we need to include the voltage source, underscore 1. So copy this thing and paste here, because we are having 3 voltage source 1, 2 and 3, and change it as voltage source 2 and here voltage source 3. Yes, we finished off the coding process. Then save the design, then start run simulation. Okay, again it goes to the waveform simulator, waveform window. Again we will check the graph, and coming to the command window, here you are getting the power factors. Yes, V voltage source 1, 2 and 3. So average power consumed, maximum power, minimum power. So these kind of parameters we will able to take. So this is the design process of NAND gate. So thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.